Hey there, iPhone enthusiasts. Ever had one of those days where your iPhone seems to be on a mission to self-destruct? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Let's dive into some classic iPhone mishaps and how to survive them with a smile. Scene 1. The executive's mistake. Picture this, a sharp-dressed businesswoman in a green suit shopping at a fancy shoe store. She reaches for a pair of heels on the top shelf and whoops! Her iPhone slips out of her pocket and vanishes behind the shelf. "Oh no, my iPhone!" she exclaims, and as she tries to reach it, frustration sets in. How do I even get it out? Next up, the bathroom blunder. Imagine a stressed-out guy in a suit taking a moment to scroll through his iPhone while sitting on the toilet. Suddenly, crack! The phone hits the floor, screen shattered. "You've got to be kidding me," he groans, and now the pool dive. It's a sunny day, and a student in a swimsuit is holding her iPhone by the pool's edge. She jumps in for a swim, completely forgetting about the phone in her hand. Splash! "Oh no, my iPhone!" she yells. So what now? Our three heroes are all wondering the same thing. What now? They think, faces full of cartoonish panic. Fear not! Here's the magic solution. Removing your iPhone from Find My to get it ready for repair. Step 1. Open your browser and go to iCloud.com/find. Easy, right? Step 2. Sign in with your Apple ID. Don't forget your password. Step 3. Select all devices at the top of the screen, then pick your iPhone from the list. Almost there. Step 4. Click on Remove from Account. No verification code needed. After tapping Remove, write your Apple account password. And voila! Your iPhone is now ready for repair. Take a deep breath and relax. Let's check back with our trio. The executive, now smiling, says, "Good thing I removed it from Find My." The man, relieved, adds, "Now it's ready for repair." And the student, beaming, exclaims, "Crisis averted." So always remember to remove your iPhone from Find My before repair. It's your quick fix for those unavoidable mishaps. Thanks for watching, and keep your iPhone safe out there. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on the next feature you want to know about.